Hi everyone, welcome to Garden and Grow. My name's Mariana and I just want to say hi to all the new channel members. We've had quite a few new channel members join us, and thank you for your time and thank you for your gardening friendship. And for all of you that are returning viewers, thank you so much for joining this community and for always being a friend. So today I just want to gather some harvest because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And I want to get everything that's ripe so that way it doesn't split. So that's what we're going to do today. It's a beautiful sunny day. Can you believe it? Last week at the garden center, it was 16 degrees. And today our high is 30. It's incredible. The weather's been so wacky this summer. We've had drought, not too much rain, but you know, that's the way. Some years are better than others.
In the garden, plant a seed, water it, it grows with speed. Flowers, veggies, trees so tall, plants are friends, we love them all. Plant a garden, watch it grow, nature's gifts from high to low, caring for the earth we love, with help from the sky above.
This is a big beef hybrid. I really like this plant. Does really nice uniform tomatoes, pretty much blemish free. There's a little bit of a crack because I didn't pick it before the last rain, but pretty well. I like this tomato. We have a lot of these golden hours. It is quite prolific, just the flavor is underwhelming. If you don't care too much about flavor and you just want an abundance of tomatoes, then this is the plant for you. These Sergeant Peppers are ready. It's kind of what they look like. Mystery tomato. I can't remember what it is. They don't look like the clementine, so I'm not sure what this is. Okay, I found the tag. Tangerine tomato. This is a Lisa pepper, supposedly the sweetest pepper in the world. Don't know, haven't tried it yet. We're gonna pick all of these, all the hot peppers, whether they're red or green, because we're gonna make peppers, hot peppers and chili peppers under oil. My family's Italian tradition. Just taking a little bit of a break. It's starting to cloud over. We're supposed to get rain tomorrow. So I kind of want to be in the garden today. But boy, do I have gardener's burnout this year. I have had my fill of tomatoes and I'm just ready for a restful season and spending time indoors. It's so funny with gardeners. By the time January hits, we're all eager. We can't wait for spring. We're all eager to do our starting stuff too early. And then by the time end of August hits, September hits, we're plumb tuckered out. So I'm just now, after I've harvested the tomatoes you saw and some peppers, I'm starting to clean up. I pulled most of my peppers plants out. I took a few green ones. They only had 1 or 2 peppers on them. I pulled them and we can eat them green. There's shepherd peppers left there. Excuse me. Habanada peppers left there that I didn't even realize I planted. Shishitos, because they're still pumping out. And the Calabrian chilies. I left the plant there. I left a few seed pods on it because I want to save some seeds. So I want those to turn red. So I left those there. Any tomatoes that have tomatoes on them, I pulled. Sorry, I didn't pull, I left, but I am trimming them back to do a force ripening, and I'll show you. So as you can see, I've been pulling stuff out. I had to pull out the still because it was in the way. I'm just gonna save the seeds. So if you let your dill dry on the plant, these are all seeds. So I'm gonna collect these for next year. I don't need the rest of the plant. These are not quite done yet. But what I did is, I don't know if you could see, is I topped the plants. So I cut the tops off, and anywhere where there's flowers, these can come off. Any suckers, I should use scissors, but I'm using one hand, they can come off. What this will do is force the plant to, it'll stress it out and force ripening, because all plants want to do is reproduce and create seed, and they do that by tomato. Well, for a tomato plant, it's the tomatoes. So when you stress the plants out, they force ripen, and you don't end up with so many green tomatoes left over at the end of the season. And watch where you step, because I just squashed a pepper. I'm just leaving stuff down here on the ground. And then I stepped on a pepper. So this is what it looks, lots of grass. Oh, there's my weeder. There's Mr. Bumble. So I topped them all, so these should ripen quickly, and I won't have too many leftover, leftover green tomatoes. I want to clean this up because I want to plant some lettuce and spinach and stuff for my fall garden. I have something exciting to show you. Look, our first peas. So thank you for joining me today, friends, in my backyard garden. Thank you for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. Take care. See you next time. Mwah.